Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Spotify link to Canva. Including your own Spotify link in your Canva designs really makes them look more professional. If you have your own music or audio, you can easily add them to your templates, which enhances the visual appeal and adds a more professional touch. To do this, open Spotify, and if you have your own music, just copy it. For example, I'm just picking one at random. Maybe I'll go with this one. If you're an artist, go to your artist list and select the music you want to add to your design. Go to the Share option and copy the link to the song. Now that it's been copied to my clipboard, go to your design. To add your link to Canva, go to the Apps section. Search for Embed. Select this option and go to the Embed tab. Paste your copied link here. Go to the design and wait a few seconds. Now, as you can see, you can add your own music into your design. Let me center it. All right. In this way, you can add your own music from Spotify to your Canva designs or any story design in Canva. It's a simple process. If you have any questions or any queries about this video or any Canva-related topic, please leave a comment. I will be answering all your questions. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will bring more helpful videos for you, and I will see you in the next one. And if you have any questions or queries about this video or any Canva-related video, please comment below. I will answer all your questions.